This might be the coolest Tesla Model 3 NY accessory that I've ever seen. Very innovative. The cool thing about this Halostation is that it's got a phone mount, phone charger that could be swiveled to be on top, on the side of your monitor. That's the most comfortable for your view. You could even put it on the bottom of the monitor if you want to. You could mount your GoPro. It's got a little camera mount that you could attach, and it's got an iWatch charger. It's got a nice tray, and I think you'll like it. Check this out. What's up guys, Myung from Camera to Freedom. If you use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content so that you could live a life of freedom, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So guys, Haloblk, this is their latest design, latest accessory, and I'm gonna open up all the boxes. We're gonna go through each of the items. They kind of go together like how Legos do, and you get to really design it the way how you want it to look instead of being stuck in its position and you can't really move things around, right? So it's very intuitive, very innovative, and I absolutely love it. I love Haloblk. All their accessories are well thought out from a team of artists and engineers to make the very best Tesla accessories. So this one guys, Halostation. So it comes in multiple boxes just to keep it safe, but they all go together. This Halostation looks absolutely amazing. And if you guys do like it, I'm gonna put the discount code link below. And if you guys do buy from my link, I appreciate you so very much. All right, let's open up this first box. I love how everything is so nicely boxed up. All right, this is cool. Very nice. Look at that. Just the material, just the design. Every nooks and cranny is just shaped and designed to look like anime. I love it. I love their futuristic design. So this is the main base. This part snaps out on both sides, and it's held by a little magnet on top. Boop. And then you put it together, and then the magnet puts it in place, and then you get to lock it down. So you just, damn, the magnet is kind of strong. Jeez. The big piece goes on top. You slide it in. Easy does it. Simply just slide that up. There you go, boom. The frame is up. This is a storage tray that goes behind your monitor. So it's an extra storage, because you know our Tesla Model 3 doesn't have that much room. They try to keep it as minimal as possible. So there are little items that you would just have to kind of put it away in a center console or a side door. And it's made out of silicone material, rubber, so you could easily just flush it and get this cleaned up. This is the organizer tray that goes to the bottom of your monitor. I do like how this tray is very small, right? You open this up, see how this looks. Cool. Very nice. Ooh. Clean. This tray goes on the bottom of the monitor, and the good thing about it is that there's a little silicone rubber that comes out. So if you put candy or any kind of thing in there that gets dirty, instead of taking the whole tray out to clean it, you could just take out this rubber piece and just clean it, rinse it, and just put it back on. Even though I do have a sunglass holder on the top, if you didn't have that, on the bottom of this tray is a sunglass holder. So as you can see, you just hold your sunglasses. You could just pop it out like on the bottom. Bam! It's kind of neat because you could, you know, it's kind of like a secret weapon. If you quickly want to just bam, pull it out, got the sunglasses on, and then you're good to go. Always be ready. This little plastic part will hold on to the railing, and you get to just slide it in there. So it does come with two little foam pieces. For the Model Y, it's going to be on the sides right here on the bottom of the tray. But for Model 3, they want it right in the middle, and they want two of them placed on top of each other. So then slide this. You could easily place it right in the middle like this, or you could put it to the side. So that way you could even have your phone on the left side or the right side. One, my baby. Come here. Wanna be in the Appa's video? Oh yeah? You gonna say hi to everyone? Let's. Oh, Lex. He's the one I make all the Tesla videos for. Lex. Yes, Lex. Go walk the dogs, okay? Go. I'm almost done. Thank you. Okay. My pride and joy. Growing up too fast. Okay. This is the GoPro Mount. So in case you want to use your GoPro to film front where you're driving, or to just turn it around and film yourself while you talk while you drive, you can just use this bottom part and put this GoPro right on top of it. It's the same mount, but I might just use a regular camera, and this will fit a regular camera like this right on top of it. So I could just aim this way instead of just putting my camera right on the dashboard right there. So that's kind of neat. Okay. There it is. My little GoPro mount. iWatch. Holder, charger. Let's open this up. I was wondering about this. If I needed to buy a charger. It comes with your iWatch charger. So the rubber part is in here, and then there's a little nub right here that's gonna put it in place so it doesn't just spin around. You know, I could just leave my watch here. Sometimes I forget to take my watch with me when I leave because it's charging in the house and I'm just kind of in a rush. But I could just leave it here and just charge it here. And also just looks cool. Look at that. This is the arm for your phone mount. This is what makes it so special, is that it's got this railing system that you could attach your mount and then just kind of slide it into position. So if you want the phone to be higher or if your phone to be lower, on the bottom, on the top, and it swivels around. So very intuitive if you want to just kind of put it in a perfect visual position so it's not distracting. And I think it's fun too, so the way they're doing it. I just love the way that looks. Look at that. I got my MacBook case that's got a magnet that's reinforced, so when I put it on, it's even stronger. So I definitely recommend the MacBook phone case with it because then the magnet will make it super, super strong. So I kind of like that. You want a little bit of reinforcement, so I'm gonna put the MacBook discount code in there as well too. So hook yourself up with that, super strong. Button on the top, so that way, when I slide it, it stays in place. There it is, charging. You could even move this around, so you could slide this up if I want to perfectly position this. Because I mean, I do like to use Waze sometimes. That looks nice. So I'm gonna put the discount code link below and definitely hook yourself up. And if you do use my link, thank you so very much for your support. And please leave a comment, just say what's up. I definitely need all the help I can get, and I do appreciate your help. So thank you. A few of you guys who are always commenting me and hooking me up. I appreciate you so much. All right, guys. If you got any questions, ask me. And until then, I will see you next time.